Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we are going to study and discuss the Security Appellate Tribunal. It is a statutory body of the Government of India and it is established under the provision of Section 15K of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. The main motive or main purpose to establish this statutory body is to hear and dispose of appeals against orders passed by the Security and Exchange Board of India or by an adjudicating officer under the Act and to exercise jurisdiction, powers, and authority conferred on the tribunal by or under this act or any other laws for the time being in the force. So there are laws given by Government of India under this on such acts this tribunal works or hear and dispose of appeals against these laws. Consequent to the government notification number DL 33004 oblique 99 dated 20th May 2014, security that is SAT hears and disposes of appeals against orders passed by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, that is PFRDA, under the PFRDA Act 2013. Further, in terms of government notification dated 23rd March 2015, SAT hears and disposes of appeals against order passed by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, that is IRDA, under the Insurance Act 1938, the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972 and the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority Act 1999 and the rules and regulation framed there under. This Securities Appellate Tribunal has only one bench which sits at Mumbai and which works for appeal against these laws under the rules regulation framed under these laws. We are going to discuss the list of the which are the laws where this Securities Appellate Tribunal work. In a summarization form, we can say Securities Appellate Tribunal is a statutory body established under the provision of Section 15K of SEBI Act. Its location or headquarter it is at the Mumbai. Composition: SAT consists of one presiding officer and two other members. The presiding officers of SAT shall be appointed by the central government in the consultation with the Chief Justice of India or his nominee, and it is with consultation of Chief Justice, central government appoint presiding officer on this SAT. Powers: it has the same power as vested in a civil court. Further, if any person feels aggravated by this SAT decision or order, they can appeal to the Supreme Court also. Current presiding officer are Honorable Justice Tarun Agrawala. Jurisdiction of this SAT at Mumbai, and it is headquarter or this bench sits at Mumbai and jurisdiction is whole of India. Presiding officer's short profile is given here. If you observe such a the Honorable Justice Agrawala have worked at the Allahabad High Court for over 22 years in civil and constitutional taxation, labor company, and service matters, and specialized in labor and company. So here you can see the how what's the profile generally the justice have for the presiding officers to appoint presiding officers on this tribunal. Presiding members, there are two members currently. Justice Dr. C.K.G. Nair and the Justice M.T. Joshi are the two presiding members on this tribunal currently. Functions of SAT: to hear and dispose of appeals against order passed by the SEBI or by an adjudicating officer under the SEBI Act 1992. Second thing is to hear and dispose of appeal against order passed by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, that is PFRDA. And third is to hear and dispose of appeal against order passed by the IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. So these three main acts on which this bench works, or these are the functions of this SAT. Which are the acts on which this Security Appellate Tribunal works? Number one is the Finance Act 2017, Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992 as amended by the Finance Act 2017, Depositories Act 1996 as amended by the Finance Act 2017, Securities Contraction Regulation Act 1956 as amended by the Finance Act 2017, Finance, that is Removal of Difficulties Order 2017, Gazette Notification Finance Act 2017, and the Insurance Laws Amended Act 2015. On all these law acts, this tribunal works. This is the organization of Securities Appellate Tribunal: presiding officer at the topmost authority, then presiding members, two members are there, then principal private secretary, registrar is there, private secretary, section officer cum court, private secretary, and personal assistant. This is the organization of Security Appellate Tribunal. What are the rules under which this tribunal works? For number one is Depositories Appeal to SAT Rules 2000, Depositories Appeal to Security Appellate Tribunal Amendment Rules 2000, Securities Contract Regulation Rules 2000, then Securities Appellate Tribunal Rules 2000. Under these rules this tribunal works. Then Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority of India Rules 2014, then Securities Appellate Tribunal Rules 2003, that is related to salaries, allowances, and other terms and conditions of presiding officer and other members. Securities Appellate Tribunal Rules 1997 and Tribunal Appellate and other authorities for the qualification, experience, and other conditions of service of members Rule 2017. Under these all rules this tribunal works according to these rules. So friends, that was the short lecture, short introduction of Security Appellate Tribunal, which works mainly in this capital market according to these rules and acts just we have discussed above. So friends, thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture. If you have any queries, questions, then you can write and ask. You can call me, you can message me also. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.